Okay, number 5, we have the graph y equals e to the x plus 2 power. And we're looking at the domain. So remember, domain is possible x values. And then we're looking at the range, which is the possible y values. So for domain, when we look at a graph, we go left to right, and we want to look at what are the numbers on the x-axis. So here, we're going all the way out forever and ever to negative infinity. And then the graph continues and it goes out, 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 out until positive infinity. If we were to continue this graph, it would just go forever right towards positive infinity. So before, in our previous sections, we would write that as negative infinity to infinity, which is correct. But this is saying if your answer is all real numbers, that's what that is. Everything from negative infinity to positive infinity, that is every number. It is all numbers. It actually wants us to put all. And then the range is the y-axis. So we're looking at the bottom of the graph. And when we have an exponential function, it's just like our rationals. We have an asymptote right here, which is at y equals 0. So at y equals 0 is our bottom. And then remember, if we go up the y-axis, how far does the graph go up? Forever to infinity. So our range is 0 to infinity, but it's asking us to write this as an inequality in terms of y. So how we would write this as an inequality, we would say all values greater than 0. And as an inequality, that's y, all values greater than 0. That's an inequality. So the input's a little different on these, which is fine. So all numbers is negative infinity to infinity, and then y is greater than 0. That's our inequality. That means we start at 0 and we're going up. We're not including 0 because there's an asymptote there.